Patridge bird. The partridge is a type of bird belonging to the family Phasianidae, which also includes pheasants, quails, and grouse. There are many species of partridges found in different parts of the world. But they are most commonly associated with Europe, Asia, and parts of Africa. Partridges are small to medium-sized birds. Known for their rounded bodies and short wings. They typically have brown or grey plumage with intricate patterns, which helps them blend into their natural surroundings. These birds are ground-dwelling and prefer habitats such as grasslands, savannas, woodlands, and farmlands. They are primarily seed eaters but also consume insects. Fruits, and other plant material. Partridges are known for their distinctive melodious calls, which they use for communication and attracting mates. Partridges are known for their strong, swift flight when disturbed. Often bursting from cover with a whirring sound. They are also known for their behavior of drumming, where males beat their wings rapidly to produce a distinctive sound during courtship displays. In some regions, partridges are popular game birds and are hunted for sport or food. They have been introduced to various parts of the world. For hunting purposes and have adapted well to these new environments. The red-legged partridge and The grey partridge are two common species that are often hunted. Overall, partridges are fascinating birds. With unique adaptations and behaviors. They contribute to the biodiversity of their respective habitats and are admired for their beauty and game bird status in many cultures. Please subscribe our channel.